The Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and while it brings some noteworthy upgrades, there are a few design choices that could cause issues down the road for its owners. Some things are best left unchanged, and one example is Samsung's camera ring design. Unfortunately, the company has decided to make some tweaks that might not be ideal for long-term durability. Let's start with what's new. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a massive upgrade over its predecessor. But considering that the Galaxy S24 Ultra was already an excellent device, that's not necessarily a bad thing. This year, Samsung has made a few key improvements, including a slightly larger 6.9-inch display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a higher resolution 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a fresh design update. Speaking of design, Samsung has moved away from the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra in favor of subtly curved edges. Additionally, the phone now has flat sides instead of rounded ones, giving it a slightly different feel in the hand. But the biggest change visually is the new camera rings, which Samsung has borrowed from the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While they certainly make the phone look unique, they could also lead to durability concerns, as revealed in a recent teardown by YouTube channel Jerry Rigged Everything. So what's the issue with these camera rings? Samsung hasn't just changed the color of the metallic camera rings from the S24 Ultra. They have completely redesigned how they are attached to the phone. According to Jerry Rigged Everything, the camera lenses on the Galaxy S25 Ultra are slightly elevated and not fully fastened to the device's base. This introduces two potential problems. The first issue is dust accumulation. Since there's a small gap between the camera lenses and the phone's base, tiny particles of dust and debris could get trapped in that space over time. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but for a phone that costs around $1,300, you'd expect better attention to detail. The second and more concerning problem is that the camera bumps are not securely attached to the rear panel. Unlike in previous models where the rings were firmly integrated into the device, these new camera rings appear to be merely glued in place. Jerry Rigged Everything's Zach Nelson demonstrated that even a light tug with a razor knife was enough to pry them off effortlessly. While the rings don't seem like they will fall off on their own, a forceful impact or a strong pull could detach them and even damage the back glass in the process. This raises serious concerns about the phone's long-term durability. Another discovery from the teardown is that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display is easier to scratch compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultras. Samsung has reportedly made the display material slightly softer to improve shatter resistance. While this means the screen is less likely to crack from drops, it also makes it more prone to surface scratches. It's a trade-off, and whether it's good or bad depends on the user's priorities. A protector might be a good idea. The Galaxy S25 series is set to start shipping on February 7, so if you've pre-ordered one, you won't have to wait much longer to get your hands on it. What do you think about these changes? Do they make you reconsider buying the S25 Ultra, or are you still excited about Samsung's latest flagship? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones and tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Samsung is officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of three exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.